Back on, ready to show. YouTube's on me, bro. Why are they on me, dude? What have I ever done to you, bro? All I did was watch your shit religiously. I don't know, bro. Like, it happens pretty frequently with me, but... Not frequently, but it happens from time to time. What's the notice that I just got? Let's say it's that after the copyrighted material stops, it's meant to resume playing, but it never does. Streams are interrupted when it's detected. After the copyrighted material is no longer being streamed. The YouTube team. Awesome. Thanks, YouTube. Appreciate yous. Disciple. Am I a disciple of YouTube? What am I saying? Genuinely, it's hard to say, because when we're fucking so pressed down, like, what do we actually want to say here? Because for me, I've got to be fucking bearish. I don't know. This is a shit chart, is it not? No, what, this is just a fucking, it's a teacup. Yeah, like, to me, this is like, this move here is accumulation, manipulation, like that there. So to me, over a larger time frame scale, I almost believe that this has to be the distribution. And now I don't know if this means that it will come up here and then, you know, and fucking, I don't know what it's going to look like, but I do believe that it wants to go lower. And for me, the biggest thing that I struggle with chart that, and I'm not sure if you can change that for yourself, but I struggle shorting a market that's already gone down. I really struggle with that. I struggle to short at these lows, you know. Hence why I was in a fucking 14k swing. Bruh, everything's acting weird. Everything is acting weird. I'm only working on... Yeah. And some, like, that's the thing, not every day is like this where it just keeps melting lower, and it's very hard to identify that as it's happening. Because my brain trains me all to, like, I'm trained to fucking want to inverse what's happening. I'm fucking like a sergeant for that shit, bro. Like, when I see this going down, I'm like, alright, here I'm probably like, it has to bounce, it has to bounce, it has to bounce, it has to bounce. Mashed potato sounds so good right now, bro. It needs to mash a potato up. Like, pudgy potato ass butt cheeks, bro. Pillowy potatoes. You know what I mean? No, crazy, but yeah, I just always am looking for something that's not the trend, and I feel like I'm finally starting to just see, like, alright, it's going down, just fucking look for a short, dude, because here it's very easy for me to like get caught up in the long, but I was short biased. So although I fucked around here, like, in hindsight, this is like such a nice trade to take off continuation. VWAP, eBay respect, whatever. The fact that I only held it for this much is like, yeah, so 780. Yeah. It's just that this, even this 5,000 inversion, like, is this enough to just start sending us higher? 780 is yesterday, well, probably on actual MNQ, yeah. Neon session. Maybe another 1 minute show, or am I looking at oh yeah, here, 130-ish. I think you're talking about this area here. 780-ish. And then like when I just zoom out from a grand scheme of things as well, it's like, what's actually happening? 4 hours super bearish, we are bearish, his sentiment is bearish. Sup my brother, what's good, G? Then in hindsight, like, the short ID is just so clean, and I'm just a bitch me, bro. 5,000, 15 minutes, like, splendid shit, bro. This could be setting up for a horrific sell-off day, and that's what I hate. It's because I'm still training my head to look for some fucking long that doesn't exist. Like right here, I'm like, alright, maybe we're gonna like long here, and my brain is like looking for this, when this is probably more likely once it confirms that it wants to fucking come below here. And this is a bit chat, but this is a continuation play, almost could make sense. I'll take it on the practice account if it closes underneath on the 2000. Because I'm just practicing today like a little fucking bitch, mate. Fucking gay little bitch. No, I'm happy with the progress I'm making on my Topstep accounts, as gay as it is. Because I genuinely feel like I'm progressing as a trader. talk will and does affect you. Yeah, it's probably true. That's fucking true. That's extremely true. I'm not a bitch. I'm basically in training. I don't know how to explain. You boys know what I mean. We're doing really well on the Topstep evals. If I really think about it, like, this is survival. I don't know how the fuck I've even done this in reflection. But I don't even know, like, yeah, obviously I fucked up quite a few times, but it's quite nice. Overall bearish, bro, but fucking, again, after we moved like 250 points, maybe 180 points, maybe 250 points from the highs, but regardless, 180 points short in Asia is like, how much more points do you expect Asia to move? That's what I always think. Oh, for gold, I think gold's higher with the way that it's already claimed the bottom. It already pushed back to this area. My setup's here, 2000 internal inversion setup. So if I was in this trade, I would have been in on the closure above, rejection, still a little low. If I was trading my extra system, and I'd still be in the trade actually. But then, I think any long up until this high, in this area, this high I don't know, but probably. But I think this with an extra, this inversion. Basically, inversions are cheeks, right? And price just bangs between cheeks. Cheeks are just getting clapped non-stop. No, it's just cheek to cheek, bro. I call it. The sell today was actually really nice. Like, in terms of like the fact that I can't actually be patient enough to see this play out for longer is probably a big downfall of my trading, which is why I have to trade like a 1.5 hour system. But I'm aware of that, so it's not necessarily a downfall. It's just I don't really necessarily do well in these days in terms of big P&L, so it doesn't make sense to me to try bag hold. Alright, let's sell into this on the practice account. And let's target this low. Just fucking want it. But I sense a bit of weakness here. I got spidey senses of tingling. I might actually identify as Batman if this fucking fails though. But in hindsight, if the market's so bearish, technically you should just be able to click sell whenever. And if gold's going up, NQ should go down, no? Fuck it, let's risk $20,000 in the position. 18. Send it. Negative RR system. This practice account is gonna fucking send me to the grave. Because all this does is just fuck with my mental state more. Not in a bad way, because it's fun, but it's not real. Well, this is claiming back above. We'll full send the 19 grand position short to make 19, so 1 to 1. technically this should win 50% of the time, no? And because we have a bearish bias, isn't the odds in our favor? Think about it. I'm going to manually manage this position, as some like to say. I'm going to manually manage this. If I sense a bit of weakness or a bit of like buy side fucking whatever, then I'm going to close manually. Because I've been a trader for so long, I'm going to use my intuition. If I shake some, hey, I'm shaking my butt right now, but you can't see it. When I have that, like, you know, jinxy fucking balance bet, you know, where I'm just gonna start fucking hitting the gritty live on street, but I'm gonna get it. I'm getting it. What's good, Yanni? What's good, bro? What's happening, my man? It's a practice account, Yanni. This is full send season on practice. We're trying to swing 30 grand on the day on the practice account, basically, and we'll find out if it works or not. Because now we have accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Fucking oath, bro. I actually appreciate you. That makes my day. That makes my day, bro. Cracker. Are you in school? Are you at school? No, you finished school, surely. It wasn't you that watches this, Brody. Brody and one of his mates watched me at school, bro. That's cool. Watching me at school. Alright, boys. I think we're in the clear here, man. Nah, I think it's gonna chop around, but to be honest. So like asking for a full swing to the low here would be dumb, but like targeting this is a like 6k trade. Brother, Monica, bro. Come back. I don't get a Perth, I never find it. Damn, shawty. Yeah, oh fucking. To be honest, the last couple of days I've just been going live when I fucking look at the charts, because like why not? Yeah, pretty much, bro. Like I trade Asia, but then Asia is like, I don't know, it's been moving good earlier in the day instead of like, you know, the time I usually trade at like 12. It's been moving like much nicer earlier, so I just started early and see if it's worth taking, but I still have to wait because today we got that nice move after the 12 o'clock hour. Can I like take off like 130 contracts here? If I, like, this is so dumb. They're making me act like a fucking disabled 90-year-old. Like, let me gamble how I want to gamble, brother. Brother. Well, how many is that? I'm on full tilt right now, but on a practice account. Oh no, it's failing, boys. Let's take one off. Oh, it's failing. No. It's failing, boys. No. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming home. Break even stops. Oh, I don't want it to do that, bro. No. Oh, this is break even stop. No, bro. Alright. So we're in 105. We want to swing at least 50 short. So we'll take 3 off here and we'll get out of the other 3. and we're protected at that high. So we're gonna try to take 50 off at this low, and then we're gonna get a full fucking swing extension, boys. Surely. It's not looking good though. Life unprofitable. I think my life is pretty unprofitable at the moment. No, I don't think that. It's pretty profitable, to be honest. Life's pretty good. You know what I mean? Fucking in good shape.
Order filled.
Oh, wow. Wow. Wow. Previous message. You only trade London, Asia, and London. Did I answer that question? No, I didn't. Yeah, I do. I only trade those two, Yanni. I don't trade New York anymore because sleep is more important. I don't know if the previous message got deleted or because it's just ... Gay. So this is bro, sleep is arguably more important than any money you can make. Why? Because you can't function without it, bro. Like, imagine having made 20 grand, but then not being, like, falling asleep at the wheel of the car because you didn't sleep. Although that does sound gay, because if I made 20 grand, I probably would have so much energy. But yeah, trust me, I've done it, bro. The worst thing is if you trade poorly, it really fucks and ruins your sleep. And that I couldn't deal with. I couldn't deal with trading at 12:30, 1 o'clock, trade for 2 hours, trade till 5 a.m. Think about life at 5 a.m. till 7 a.m. Sun's coming up, and I'm trying to fucking go to bed. It's like, what is going on here, dude? Time to start this shit. But you have to go through it as well. Yeah, you know what? I don't hate when it changes to 11:30. I don't hate it, because I probably go to bed most nights at fucking 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock anyway. But I have, like, obviously, I obviously have fucking priorities now. Like, I journal and read and things like this, so that's almost arguably just as important. But trading New York's like being in the Navy SEALs, bro. It's just the best way to learn, because shit moves so quick. You know, Asia session is like nice and protected on the shorelines. Like, London's a bit like in between. The fuck? But you get me, right? New York session is just like everything's going on. No one knows what the fuck's happening. Asia's like sometimes things are happening, sometimes things aren't, and London is just like fuck around and find out. I like Asia because, as you can see, this shit's moving like butter today. It's moving fucking pretty nicely. It is moving like pretty crispy. But again, on a day like today, I'm only up this much on my personal eval, whatever the fuck. So am I really doing that well? Probably not. But this is fun. Like, I could have passed how many accounts today? I don't even know. If I was just fucking full sending. Let's get 15 off here, because like I'm liking it.
Order filled.
You know, I think we gotta secure a little bit more profit. not liking this little bounce here, man. This little zone that I marked out before, bro. What does aggressively trailing feel like? Like, where would you trail to? I don't get trailing. People that trail, like, big respect, because this would be aggressively trailing, no? Like, maybe above this high or some shit. I see that guy at BPC trading doing that. He aggressively trails when he's in, like, these fucking full send swings. Fucking oath. Clean. Clean, clean, clean. And 100% flip on my life. Bro, all I know is Zemco Capital, that guy is pretty big. Pretty sure bro loaded up like 2k in a personal wild account and it's on like 50k just from today, so. So like, if I was in a trade trailing this, would I not get annoyed if it like runs up here and then just sells off all the way? You're basically always having to get in on momentum, which is usually pretty good. But like I'm giving up all this profit just to like trail. I don't like that. Zemco Capital, bro. Zemco. He's like a UK guy. But he put on his story today, on his Instagram story. I follow him. He's pretty big in the space, but So how much profit did I just give up by trading this? Alright, let's say I got tagged out here, but we'll go back to break even. Because I want to see this play out full extension, because fuck it, why not? I think this 2000 should hold us lower. Let's actually add more here, because why not? Fuck it. Let's add a bit more here. Yeah, we love that. And then any bit of confirmation to the downside, we're just gonna get into more size. Alright. If we can claim this low, I'm gonna stay break even. You know why? Because I don't think it should come much higher than here. Probably could, but let's see. Zamco is spelled like this, by the way, bro, if you want to check it out in the store. So maybe trailing is smart, right? Because now we've got faith in a position that's failing, right? No? Oh my god, it's time to flip. It's time to flip position, boys. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's time to flip.
Order rejected. Order filled.
Oh, it's actually trying to flip now. Yeah. And I still push into this high, I believe. I believe. Come on, another three bands in the day. Oh no, it's failing. Luckily we built a 13 grand buffer. Oh, I was right, bro. Come on, let's get a little pump up, Come on, you know you want to inverse, dude. You know you want to inverse. You know you want to push a little bit higher. So like, once I do this, like trading properly on a 50k just seemed boring, no? I think today's actually a decider if we fucking make finals or not for our indoor team. Outdoor team, I don't know what the fuck's going on, to be honest. It's fucking extremely poorly ran at the moment, but whatever. I just play. I don't want to take on any other responsibility other than fucking play, man. That's all I want to do. Help the team by playing well myself, that's it. Because that's how You be a good teammate, no? You play at your best for the team. And if you are individually good, then the whole team does better. Yeah, imagine like, trailing sucks for me. I hate trailing, because I could have just stayed in my original short, added into it, and just been like, you know, it's all is good, but no. I'm like, actually, like, I'm getting inside of my emotions right now by this gambling episode. $3,000 a year promised insider trading info. Guess I'll try to get a 50K. Probably is worth the risk. Damn, bro, I got cooked on this. It's actually gay. We listened to this yesterday. Let's skip that one. Bro, that's actually gay, no? But I mean, all we did here was risk the profit we just made. So now we're like, what, plus 6.5, plus 7.
Order filled.
Yeah, so that's just gay. But I guess this confirms exactly what I wanted, which was the retest of the inversion. My system is actually fucking pretty good, bro. It's pretty good. Even for like a 1-to-1 or some shit, but let's see if it works. This is a continuation, internal sweep, inversion, closure below, respect. This I should be in on. I should actually be in on this, regardless. My fucking personal account, like here, but instead I'm trading a fucking practice account like a retard. But I have a little wasp friend that loves to come in my window, and he's got a massive fucking schlong. And he just needs to not come near me. He's cute though. But just no. What's the dots for, bro? You're gonna have to explain, because unfortunately I'm retarded. Sword fight. Needs it. I don't think I've ever lost one. Crazy, crazy, crazy. This is like almost a guarantee back to the low now. It's more reply whenever you say, okay. As long as I know. I'm far from sus. Like, I love bad bitches, it's my fucking problem. You know that song? It's a great song. I love bad bitches, my fucking problem. But women are nice, they're cute, you know? The goal in life is definitely to have a nice wife, but we tried that. We tried that. So we're taking a break from that for a bit. Because little Turkish thing didn't work out, you know what I mean? Unfortunately, sometimes it don't work out, you know? But we move. Merhaba. Nasılsın? İyiyim, sen nasılsın? That's all I learned though. And if you ever want to say that a Turkish, if you ever find out that a girl's hot and you think you want to let her know, say çok güzel. Çok güzel. it's true. Alright, Minnesota. It's true. That's extremely true, to be honest. You are Chart Dad, so I feel like you have the reins on this topic. I've only ever been in one long-term relationship, 5 years, and that's as long as it went. Is it fat in Turkish? Does it curl? Or is it fat? Whatever it means. But which way is that going? To the woman or the guy? Or just both? Because if a chick asked me that, EM. EM. Does it curl? No, it doesn't. My first one absolutely broke me. Doesn't curl. I know. My first life absolutely broke me. My current life is my woman and she was short. Nah, to be honest, it's alright. It's just like, it's hard to get used to going from fucking smashing all the time to like smashing on the order. Like, I haven't smashed, but I don't smash that often, to be honest, bro. But I used to, religiously, like fucking all the time, bro. Every day. Wow. Multiple times a day. But it's more to that. It's more than that, right? Like it's everything. The whole encompassing relationship is important. But yeah, I don't know, man. I'm not equipped. I'm not equipped to discuss the topic. I am equipped, but I need questions because then I can give you actual like answers on what I think. But we are a long way away from, not a long way. Like I feel like the right girl, like Charlotte said, will speed you up in life. She'll be like, you'll want to fucking make shit work, so you naturally want to fucking do things to speed that process up. But the girl has to be worth your the investment as well, because they are an investment. You're investing into them, and they're investing into you.
Sabes que eres mía aunque lo niega. Yo quemo como el fuego, pero tú juegas. Conmigo en la cama no cosas nuevas. Cuando estamos solo el tiempo.
Grant me 20k, I'll flip it for you. Could do, but fuck me, man. It's a lot of money. How about you front me 20k and I won't flip it for you? I'll just keep it. Or if I flip it, I'll pay you back. But if I don't, then that's fine. I reckon that's a good deal. Because then we both win. Because you're going to lose it anyway. So if you give me 20k and I flip it, we both win. But if I lose it, you're going to lose it anyway. So it's actually a win-win. I should be trading gold, to be honest. Yeah. Look, I'm pretty in sync with the market today, I could say, but we're obviously not flawless with execution. But But yeah, I generally trade NQ, bro, just because I understand sort of how it moves. My strategy suits it best, I feel. Alright, ready? So this is where TP is, and this is where like it needs to like now
Order rejected.
like just like wig out and like scare me from hitting TP. So this is where like I would be in the trade and I'd be like, oh no, it starts to push back. And it just needs a quick flip back into here for a quick cheeky 3k. Just into this little body here, like right there. Come on. Little fucking little sweep or some shit, bro. Gay as hell, bro. I actually used to prefer ES, bro, I'll be honest. I really did. Because ES is like a bit more fucking... Especially with the way that it prints some of these things, it's like a bit more clean. But I just fucking go between them, bro, to be honest, like when I feel like it. This trade's gonna fail, bro. Let's get out of that before we do more damage. Yeah, I don't know, like, especially with the 5,000 tick chart, which is what I use, like, sometimes you can get really nice, like, one directional moves. It doesn't fuck around as much as NQ in certain points. Like, when you get an engulfing candle, it is usually the, like, start of the trend changing. Like here, continuation, you get this massive drop candle, signifies bull candle, bear candle, bull candle, like yeah. And we like volatile. We like volatile. But it's just such a bearish market, and again, like I really want to be the guy longing here, but I can't. These guys are hopeful. Let's short into their strength. This guy's, he's loving life. He's in the long right now. Poor guy, bro. Poor guy. Cheeky 3 grand, like.
Order filled.
Yeah, poor bloke, bro. Like, sucks to be him, you know? Sucks to be me, because now, you know, obviously we could have made like 9 grand on that trade, but whatever. But yeah, that was the trade. Like, this is my setup, and I didn't take it, which is a problem. This is a problem, boys. 2,000 internal, perfect body respect, invert respect, straight down, low tag. That is a fucking plus. And what did I do? I didn't take it. Bang. No, I'm joking. Crazy. That's right. All I know is that my system, it's there, dude. All I gotta do is stop being a fucking pussy, bro. Like I have the recipe. I have the ingredients. And it'll come. It's coming. We're making good progress on this, boys. We really are. I don't know what the fuck's going on. It's been like almost, you know, when's the 16th? This will be 2 months trading these evals. That's too long. Way too long. But we're proving that the system can be full ported. That's what we're proving. And then we're full porting on the side to train ourselves how to full port. I'm from Sydney, bro. I'm from Sydney. Yeah. Well, that's why like here I'm just swinging max size because then like I'm trying to feel nothing, and I guess almost when I swing full size on this short, like why am I just holding to the low? Because this is a practice account, I shouldn't feel attached to it, but I still do. You know, so it's like, all right, take my setup here, which I did, somewhat off the initial inversion, but this was a bit choppy. But here I should just not hesitate, set up, inversion, bang, continuation, downside trade, as we saw, and just take the trade and worry about the outcome later, because that's trading. That is trading. Like, this is the trade that I know will make me money over a longer period of time. This is what I would wait for if I had a perfect fucking... am I going to take another trade tonight? Maybe, bro. At this point, I've taken like 1,000 trades on this account. Nah, I'm joking. 22, but... Like I've taken too many trades by my own standards today. From here, the only thing I want to ask you is like, what do you expect to happen here? Because obviously the market's going down. It's going down. Like it's going down. It's going down like missiles are going down in places in the Middle East, unfortunately, and we don't like that. No one likes conflict. No one likes war. But unfortunately, we have, you know, a missile going to the downside, and I think it's going to keep going down until this blows. Eventually, now what that looks like on the way down, I don't know, but I struggle heavily with doing this. I really struggle with this because this is counterintuitive to what trading teaches you, which is, right, a high IRR or a high fucking risk to reward system, and people say buy low and sell high, or buy low, sell high, right? So buy low, sell high. It almost eventually becomes sell low and buy high, because this is an example of sell low. You know what I mean? This is an example of sell low. This is an example of sell low. Which is like, if you think it's going to go up, it's probably going to go lower. And if you think it's going to go down, it's probably going to go down when it's this. I struggle to short this. That's why if I wait for this continuation setup, I'm more confident in it. But anywhere in here, it's like, where do you press the short button? You chop around in here for 10 minutes, and then in, I think this is like a 1 minute print, 2 minute print, it just does it. Is there? Oh my god, no way.
Order filled.
Fuck me. Get in on that, ASAP. We'll target that. Let's just get above this little high here. We'll go for a 0.3 hour system right now. That's the 500 teacher saying. We're in on momentum here, we like it. Claim that high. He doesn't want to. It's struggling. Let's get out of that. All right, we're on 11.5. Beautiful. Money makes money, boys. As you can see. No, I'm joking. It does really make money, though. The more money you have, the more money you can make. That is true. All right, it's failing. Stop. Tight stop. Back to this level. Oh no. Damn, boys, we failed. This is when it turns into gambling. That was a gamble. That was the first gamble of our little daily win streak. Damn. Because now we're going against what the market's telling us, which is it wants to go higher. Stop out.
Order filled.
8 grand on the day. Gay. There is a lot of volume to the upside though. I need to stop trading this practice account like a spastic though, because I'll fucking... it's not smart. Probably SMT, no? Yeah. I hate SMT, I don't look for it, I don't care for it, but there is one.
Order filled.
Smart money trap, apparently. It's where smart money have got into the market. And they're like, fuck you, dude. We're taking all your money. So this is where like it goes downhill. How do you reverse the position? They're a reverse bottom. See, like if I was trading like this on a personal account, I'd be going fucking insane. Cause I'm chilling out right now, but like I couldn't. What's the secret sauce? Have a system and then you combine the fact that I have this system with this full portability. Is that the secret sauce? In gold sells. All right, let's pivot. Let's pivot.
Order rejected.
Hey, is there a contract limit?
Order rejected. Order rejected.
Bro, what can you trade on fucking gold?
Order filled.
Oh my god.
Order filled. Order rejected.
15. What the hell, bro? That's
Order
boring.
filled.
But you know what? We'll mark it out. Oh my god. Let's target this high,
Order
bro.
filled.
I'm just looking for the most high probability trades at the moment. Besides those two that we took before. But a nice little push to this high would make sense, no? Or do we just blow this account after our subliminal performance all session? They are Razer headphones, bro. For as much shit that Razer got, I've had these for 5 years. And the audio quality is spectacular. I want another one, but they don't sell these anymore. It's a fucking great headset, bro. I love it. The Nari Essential, or whatever the fuck it's called, bro. Oh, what a song. Hey. Oh, no way. Oh, they're out of stock. Peggy. Hey. Peggy. I want to identify as Dominican, bro. Being Dominican would be so cool. Peggy. Look, let's zoom out and stop worrying about gambling for a second. What do I actually want to see here so I can have a fucking bias if I come back in London session and trade this. I think we're bearish, but we are forming this range, importantly. So playing the range, we've come to the bottom of the range. I think longs could play, but the 4 hour is saying down. Fuck, this is terrible, bro. It's like war on the chart, bro. I think this still has room to come to the downside, personally. And this is one of the worst spots to be in to take trades. It's just in between. Like, any part where you're positioned in this short, into the 50% is great. Anything now is just shit because we're at the 50%. So genuinely, I wouldn't be interested in anything like for my live account. Here, getting short, I like. Here, getting short, I like less. Here, doing anything, I like the least. While we're still in a trade here, we are. That's right, we are. And if we were wanting to take long, where do we want to take long into? I think it's a good TP. But let's try to end on 10k, because that makes us feel special. We met. I keep my head up. But Essential C is actually underrated. So underrated, bro. I think people slept on how good his lyrics are. They go reappear. I love some flood of the diamonds. You should know the hood. Private. Yeah. Silence. Hold me back, baby. Hold me back, baby. I'm a savage. I'm a rap, baby. I got the exact same ones. I don't have them anymore. But I was looking at a headset and I'm like, I don't know what I would buy, bro, if I was to buy a new one. But I'm not gonna buy one if I don't need one as well. So I'm gonna buy it. Is this what swing trading is? When people just swing fucking massive positions? Like double hang fucking open no stop swings or some shit? Or I thought swing trading is just like, it's just gooning on the higher time frame, basically. No, I actually think that swing trading would be like taking a fucking double bottle. Fuck me, trading is trading is the most bipolar thing, but people love it, so it's like, whatever. But this is a 1 hour swing is like mad off this sweep. That is a swing. Like a double top. We need a double toppy, bro. I don't. Apex don't like me. I don't. Unfortunately, chart that only Tradeify and Alpha Futures, but they didn't. And to be honest, I don't really care because I'm just having fun. But I know that there's a direct benefit with me having one because people are gonna buy these things anyway. So I'd like to get one. It would be nice. But apparently Apex said no, so we'll see. We'll see about that. I'ma focus on what I'm doing. But I appreciate you asking. I really do. I really do appreciate you asking. Thank you. But yeah, use whatever. Use the one on their website, or obviously use someone else's code. that you like or support, because it obviously helps them out. I wish I could. But I was rejected. And when we get rejected, what do? Boys, we try again. We keep going. We love being rejected. We love being rejected, boys. Rejection is so healthy. Yeah, I couldn't trade this on my personal account. This is dark water, bro. I'm swinging 15k to make 5k here. You know what? The Apex is actually like top shit right now. No, like they are the GOAT. They have re-established themselves as top tier 20 accounts. All in, boys. End of day trail, trade of 50k, $29, dude, and $100 activation. You fucking serious, bro? That is insane. This is unbelievable, incredible. You're telling me I can full port on a 3-to-1 IRR, or just trade my system, which is a 1.5R, risk 1,000, make 1,500, do it twice in one day, bang, $30, get funded. It's phenomenal. Phenomenal. Give me fucking spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now. What'd you put in it? I don't care. I don't care. Bro asked me before, am I from Cali? I answered, I'm from Sydney. I've been to California though. I like America. America's cool, bro. I like America. America is awesome, bro. I can't lie, I was a bit like walking around in LA at like 8 AM on a changeover flight. Maybe wasn't the smartest thing I've ever done. But hey, I got to experience it, and it was something. The Bard Walk. But yeah, America's fucking. Oh, I think we're tapped out today, boys. We're trying to get a 30 grand day and it's just not happening, man. And this is why, because shorts just tend to work, right? It's a short day, like, shorts want to play and shorts is what they get. And that's why I struggle to trade this on a personal account, because when you think it's going to go up, it's probably just going to go back down. And I hate that. That's why I don't trade it with my own money that I worked so hard for. Because it's just not worth taking. I like this, I don't like this. But if you guys enjoy me swinging fucking 150 minis on this practice account, I'll do it. Unfortunately, I'm not making that much money from trading that I can swing this on real accounts, but we'll get there. Once we get funded on Topstep, you know what I mean? We're in the final stages, boys. What do we have? $940 to go. With this consistency, it's like, yes, yeah, we're doing well, we're doing well. Oh my god, it's bouncing. We love when it bounces. I don't get why they still have their intraday trail though. Like, no one's gonna use. Oh, there's no P, there's no daily loss. Fair enough. But this is the L on the trail. These are like waste of time. Anyway. What did you miss? Nothing. We basically lost all our profit from this session. All the profit we worked so hard for on this practice account is disappearing and decaying by the second, bro. Where would 50% of this little range be? We're trading a negative RR strategy here back to premium. Yeah, this is a dead cat bounce. Here we go. They're trying to kill my stream, Oreo, again, brother. Why are they doing this, man? Why are they doing this, bro? What's the 3-minute actually saying? Like, I could... It's just on certain songs, but like... That Quevedo fucking cook, bro. Let him cook, man. Ooh, ooh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, hey, hey, hey, hey, hey. What a song, bro. I haven't heard this in a fucking minute. What a dead trade. We'll keep it open for Sooth, fuck cares. No one. Should I play my Afrobeats playlist, seeing that we'll listen to some Spanish? We'll get really, really dark, boys. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Afrobeats. I like this song. And like, lesson for anyone that really cares about trading. When the markets move down so much, not a lot happens at the lows. Like, it tends to be pretty shit and annoying to trade. So instead of me tweaking out, risking real money, I'd rather just wait until I come into a session where I see this again. Because I know that I can replicate this. Anything I've done here, I can't replicate. This is replicatable, and this first short I was speaking through is actually nice, but nah, nothing here. Latest shot that, bro. Appreciate it. There's got a lot of people watching right now. This is the most people I've had since I started streaming ever. So I appreciate each and every one of you. God bless you all. I really, really appreciate it, because I'm a nobody. But you guys make me feel like somebody. Over by R2Bs. Alright, done. Done, my bro. Ooh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, straight in the playlist. Mm. Mm. Mm. Mm. It's just, you know what? This is like, let's remove this for a second. Hindsight's a beautiful thing, bro. If you want to know my actual setup, I'll explain it. Alright, let's remove all the drawings. Let's go on my personal account and let's explain. The thing that I'm actually now locked in with trading when I see it, right? Bias 4-hour chart. Which direction are we going? Look at the chart. Down. We're going down. Alright, we're going down. Alright. 15-minute chart. What are we doing? Looking at structure. We didn't come into 50% of this range. It's a bit difficult to say here, but this is quite bearish. What's 50% of the entire range? Where's another area we could like want to look at? Alright. Change between. So if we're bearish, we're just looking at what PD arrays could send us lower. So 4-hour gap here. Still bearish. Anyway, come into this session. What do we see? Alright, we had the new week opening gap. Awesome. So with everything going on, you're bearish overall. But yesterday, we sell lower, we come up, we claim, we tap above these highs. Awesome. Main thing that I care about is this. We sweep, we accumulate orders here. We distribute above the whole, manipulate above the highs. And then we're basically getting displacement back lower in Asia. So then, on the session, all we look at is 5,000 inversion area, right? So number one, we got a nice clean one here. 5,000 tick chart, boys. No one does this. I'm the only wig out that trades this fucking shit. Anyway, we look at the upper areas. All right, beautiful. We don't care about these anymore. We just want to see how the next ones are respected to the downside. We mark them all out. We don't care where they are. And we just see where price is respecting towards. All right. So all these upside ones, you know. All right, and now we're respecting in blah blah blah, whatever. Main thing is, when I'm trading in the session time, I'm looking at areas, 5,000 tick chart. Alright, anywhere in here, no, maybe here. Alright, so we refined it to these two areas, because these are the most recent ones. So we open, we come up, we tag, we come below, we tag. I want to see on the 2000 chart, I'm looking for a fractal of the same thing, an inverse, internal sweep, closure below, retest, short, 1.5R system. That's all I'm looking for. This is my actual system that I actually should trade. Alright. Does it look like the bottom candle on the 1 hour? It's probably a good question. This bottom candle here? Tell me which hour. Yeah, I don't know. Recent hours. I mean, on technicality, you get it here a little bit. But you don't get, like, for me, when we're so bearish, I don't like looking for it, right? Because it's like, you have to really expect this to be forming at a point where you expect a long to happen. You know what I mean? I don't expect a long to happen here because I've got such a strong bearish bias to these lows. So I don't like that this is happening. I don't care for this. But when we were repricing higher here, like I didn't... Because I wanted us to reach up into this area originally, like the place where I marked out here. You know, we have all these little zones, and wherever it overlaps here, just stronger, creates a stronger zone. So with this as my sort of target, this highs, we did have a long that played out. So we internally swept this, printed, So you can take this if you're expecting us to trade higher before lower, and this hit for 1.5R there. But here, like in hindsight, let's just say, alright, this is an inverse. Say we're taking the long side, closure above here. Number one, this is a big stop. In a market that's so bearish, do I expect us to trade all the way back up here? Probably not. You know, I don't... It depends, like, what the market's doing when I come and look at it. Like, what about those that took a larger... Let me lock in for a bit. Let me lock in and understand the question. What about those that look a larger time frame? What about those? Unfortunately, I'm retarded. I don't understand you. I think I know what you mean. I think I know what you mean. Like being positioned in a wick? John Wick? English second language. Sí. No hablo inglés. That was a perfect time for the song to come in though. No, but wick trading is also good. It's just like, I feel like the best way to wick trade is that fucking higher time frame PO3 candle bullshit that spawns on the right side. I like that. That's cool. But like this was probably a nice London. This was a session I said I was gonna avoid because we had sold off all day. But then in hindsight, yesterday was like textbook accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and then this is probably your 1 hour swing point if we just being positioned in this wick. But we didn't sweep the liquidity, so it's difficult to say if you'd want to be positioned there, but it is a nice trade. It is textbook ICT lingo. But I like the 3-minute chart personally, because I don't care for anything else. But we accumulate. There's actually no 3-minute inversion here, but I'm pretty sure on the 2000, it was like awesome fucking shit, dude. It was like brilliant. It was amazing, actually. It was inverse to the downside, reclaim above, closure, bang. Bullish candle out of it. Bottom of the day type shit. But yeah, I like the, I really fuck with the 2000 tick chart, boys. I'm gonna say it, and I'm gonna continue using it because I like it. Yeah, it's also true. The bigger it is, the more throwback is needed. You know, boys. Bro, we've absolutely cooked this account, boys. It was doing so well. It was up 22,000 today. Spewing. Oh well. You know what? We get to reset it for free. Nah, see, this is the thing. If I'm going to trade this practice account, I'm actually going to get in on trades that I think are genuinely going to work. Because otherwise, this defeats the purpose of actually like practicing. Like, honestly, I couldn't tell you even the reason I got into this short here. Or long. I got in long. Damn. Fair enough. Pretty sure I was short here. Alright, this is my fair play. Let me play my actual. Oh, it's like I'm in Top Boy. You know? So I'm the main character. but I'm not. I think we can bounce 248.15. It's not bad, you know, because this would become head and shoulders, shoulders and knees, shoulders, knees, heads and toes, heads, shoulders, knees and toes, and then it goes up. I agree. No, honestly, but like I do see this a lot where we have one leg here and then it I'm taking the piece, but sometimes it can like bounce here just short term and then maybe retrade and then sell well, but funny, this 2000 tick chart actually inverted twice and played out. I mean, if we actually had like the 2000 print here, I maybe would have considered short, like genuinely. But I think it's past the point where I take a trade on my personal account, because then it would be dumb. And I think I'm only two good W's away from passing, and then we're actually in the zone. Like then we're in like pole position, make real money, teleport to a different country, keep trading, keep streaming. You know what I mean? There's a lot on the line here, boys, to be trading the white evals properly. I have a goal and a vision, and at the moment, all I see is 150 mini swings, 12k down, which obviously isn't gonna fly overseas. So. Bro, I think currently waiting for gold to melt. So is this actually the cap that they put on it? 15 micros, 1.5 minis. Is that the real cap? Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boys, if you're enjoying the stream, help a brother out, leave a like on the stream. You don't have to, but it does help me out. It's a lot of people, so I appreciate you all. I think NQ's melting, bro. It's going short. Should I just flip now? Seeing as I've already cooked. I think I agree with you, boys. But now is the moment that I wanted to flip, so this is where we're gonna go long again and catch all our profit back to the upside. Because now we're actually just in our drawdown road. And where's our account blur? Right there. This is how quickly you can fucking just lose everything. It's alright, we'll reset it in no time at all. And in hindsight, like, doesn't this chart look fucking disgusting? Where's the gaps that you're getting in on? This little gap is the one that ultimately sent us down. We're not really printing nice 3-minute gaps that are getting respected cleanly. Like, it's pretty shit price action, genuinely. It's not like it's great price action. Bro wants to target VWAP, so we'll do it with him. Waiting for VWAP on gold. Where's VWAP on gold? I've got to go and mashed potato call them. I need a mashed potato, bro. Where do I find them? Give me advice before you go. One tip, go. Quick, quick, quick, quick, quick. Nah, I appreciate you, Oreo, regardless if you're still here. Thank you for hanging out, as always, bro. Fucking sick, cunt. I appreciate you. Big time. Oh, crazy. Madre. Mamacita. This is looking nice. Mi amor. Mamacita, mi amor. Hey, hey, hey, hey. Hey. Look, this is the thing, boys. As soon as you think it's gonna go up, it's probably gonna go lower. And my brain just doesn't work like this. I can't risk my accounts in this shit. I mean, the likelihood that this comes lower is so much higher than higher. Even like here, taking a long here is probably fucking retarded. Like, will it hit this high before it hits this low? Probably not. Let's see if we can fucking save this account. 17 grand swing long. Ultra tight 4-to-1 RR system trade inversion. What else do I like in this playlist? You reckon J Hus will get banned? J Hus is like UK African music, bro. I'm sorry. Hey, hey. Whereas a militarian, this, hey. Yeah. Crazy. Yeah, so yeah, I was just want to take this for personal case. Yeah. Alright boys, looks like I gotta reset the practice account for Portland.
Order filled.
Oh no, we blow the account. I only have $1,100 of drawdown left. Fuck yeah.
Order filled.
African bad boy. Got a style strong. You know, it's me where I come from. I tell you straight, I'm African. Oxygen. Look, I don't know, man. This market is so bearish that it's like, if you're not selling, you lose pretty much. Like, there's no, if you're down 12k, you're never saving that shit, bro. Like, you are, there's a chance that you will, but you're not saving it long term. At what point do you call your trading day here? The connection, the Wi-Fi connection. Go interception. Oh, come on, let's go. We got him, Leviosa. No, eyes like China. You don't come any round, so. Don't come any rounder. I take her to a house, she's a house, so. Let's fucking go. No, it's not that rapper. But yeah. Turning me up. Maybe a double bottom. I don't know. Now we're targeting this full high, but like if we're gonna lose this account, we're losing it, you know, we're blowing it. But we're getting 20k out of it. Triple bottom. Needs a nose beer. My cap is big, it's not little. Hey. What about everyone wants to be a burner boy? Burner boy. It's so true, bro. It's actually so true. What do we even have on this week, bro? That's low, no? Yeah. Oh, fuck me dead, bro. Give it to us. Give it to us all. You're probably right. What do I do? What do I do? Oh, there, that's it. Yeah, USD is the only thing I look for anyway. But sometimes I notice that I can impact shit. Why doesn't this tell me the date though? I like when it says the date. I swear it used to say the date. Oh no, it says it here. I low-key like looking at the little yellow folder ones as well though. Because it like makes finding the red one like interesting. But you're probably right. Alright, let's do the ones we care about. No. Swiss franc, no. Euro, yeah. Oh, we like NZ as well. No, I'm joking. I like all these countries, bro. I like them all. But here, what's this? Speeches, business surveys, consumer surveys, housing, bonds, central bank employment. Does this get rid of anything? I don't really trade anything to do with bonds, so fuck bonds off. We only wear bonds underwear. And I don't wear those anymore anyway because they're uncomfortable. I feel like if you get rid of speeches, it gets rid of a lot. But like, what are these classified as, bro? This is wigging me out now. Maybe you're right, bro. Maybe I just do this. And that just cleans everything up. Yeah, let's just leave it like that. Fantastic. Appreciate that. Wigging out there for a bit. Nah, you know what? It's like, I generally don't trade the news times anyway. Like, I don't trade around these times. Fucking oath, bro. Kill it. the gym is arguably more important than trading. Because if you have $1 million or $0, your physique is still one of the most important things. This is the low of the day, boys. Let's go for a full range external trick. Let's actually try target big lock though. Just turn around, look at my alien face, bend down and tie you loose behind. In the first degree. You know what? Whoever said that he was fucking gonna get in at where my thing was, bro, fucking, that has to be like to the tick or some shit if you got into it. Who was it, bro? I don't know who said they were going to, but someone said they were gonna get in where my fucking stop loss was. Looks like it's not looking good, bruv. It's not looking good, bruv. Yes, I come from behind. Jump on my golden. Yeah. Oh, bro. Options is fucking hella confusing, eh? Hella confusing. I did try it for a bit. I downloaded Tasty Trade, and I'm like, what the fuck is going on? Alpha, beta, omega, fucking, what the fuck? Futures is just like buy, sell, contract, long, short, nice. You know what I mean? Forex is like spread, fucking, only thing I want to spread, bro, is cheeks and Nutella. Be honest. And peanut butter. Peanut butter. Got fatter.
Prison officers that took my phone when I was just trying to call my family. See no records.
I love this song. Live on the line. Do we like nines? Do we know who nines is, boys? What? I'll be home soon. Gonna put my mom from there straight to the showroom. Hey. Wales at the top of its range. Well, petrol prices fucking skyrocketed yesterday, didn't they? Because petrol was $1.50 and now it's fucking $2.10. So shame we couldn't make a good trade on that one and fill up last week. No, so this is a practice, so I'm just taking the piss, like actually swinging positions and shit, but on this account, 1.5R with this is my rules that I have to stick to, otherwise I fucking wig it. So like read that, it means, alright, let's say boys, I took this short, right? Let's say I got into this short on this inversion, I took it, bang, alright, we're at 450. Risk 300, make 450. Alright, and then it's like, alright, we're getting the same thing, we're rejecting, we closure below, maybe I want to get in again. Alright, awesome. this would have hit straight off the bat off this high. So that we would have said, like, let's say I followed my system today. I was like happy to trade, confident. Today I already said start of my stream. This is my second stream of the day. The stream that I streamed before, I said like when fucking one person was watching, I'm not feeling it today, boys. So that's why I've been trading the practice account. But best case, we win the trade, 450. Worst case, we lose the next trade, negative 300, plus 150 on the day. Say we lose this trade, we lose 300, and we stop trading, stop. Or we fucking locked in on a great, beautiful trading day, bang, bang, 900. One losing day, one of these days offsets 3 bad days. You can lose all week and have one good Friday, and you Gucci. Or you can have middays. No. We're close, but we're close. These are on 52, bro. I've been trading. I'll be honest. Not everyone knows my story because there's 42 of you, right? But I basically got scammed a 50k payout from fast track trading, and after that I went on a massive tilt spree, and I lost a bunch of real money. I was trading. This is such a fucking strong song to be listening to while I'm fucking trying to explain that shit. Anyway, I lost a lot of money. I lost a lot of personal money, like tens of thousands of dollars in a short period of time. I've lost over $100,000 trading Propfirms, and after I got scammed this 50k payout from fast track trading, I was pretty much trading Tradeify 150k straight to funders that cost 600 a pop, and then you could copy trade 7 of them. So I was spending 4.5k, and I was blowing these in 2 days. And I was in a really bad place mentally, boys. Like terrible place mentally. Lost everything. Cars, cash, assets, everything. Besides my property. I still managed to keep my property, but I lost everything else. I couldn't trade for 6 months. So here we are, boys. We're back. We worked in sales. We worked for a company called Physique Factory for a little bit of time, and we were selling fitness programs that genuinely help people get in shape. And I witnessed it firsthand, because I only worked there for 3-4 months. People that signed up at the start, by the end of it, were fucking shredded. And it was fucking quite nice. But the main thing is that it refunded my lifestyle to be able to do what I enjoy again. And so for me now, it's so important that I prove to myself again that I can trade. And that's why this exercise of trading these accounts for over 1.5-2 months is proving that my system overall works. So you can see here 1 trade, 2 trades, these are all 1 trade, sticking to this 300 risk, 450-ish profit. We started to fall off here, right, where we started 58 trades, 22, 28. And there's a video of me I uploaded, punching myself in the face, tilting. And we just thought about that, like we don't need to do that. So if I tilt, I'm gonna live stream it, because why not? And ultimately, today was a day where I didn't stick to my plan. So I transitioned to practice, and I'm just hanging out in practice today because it is, oh damn, it's alright boys, 1 sec, we'll be back. 1 sec boys, 1 sec, let me just load it up boys. Oh, we're back. Oh my god, we're back. Okay, sweet. Yeah, I got, like, for me, I think it's better to be honest, because I believe in a lot of things, right? Like, fuck, fake it till you make it and all this shit. I don't need to fake anything, bro. I don't want to fake anything. It helps me be at peace with myself if I just can be as honest as possible. Because I feel like it's either what I was led to believe when I first got into this that made me rush the process, but do I regret going through that? No. I really do not regret going through it, because it built so much fucking character, bro. You know what I mean? There was periods where I was walking to the gym with no car, getting drenched in rain, bro. Drenched in rain. And I had no option. No option at all. And this song is just so fitting, because it's like, fucking, it's so true, bro. Black and white is got a bit of gangster, right? This is the Top Boy final fucking song. But it goes for all of yous watching, right? Like, blowing some accounts, mentally stressed out, working at the time, losing what I worked hard for. And this is the thing, bro. Like, it's whatever level we're all at, right? None of us are. We're all created equals as humans, but none of us live equal situations because everyone has a unique life. And let me turn the music down for a little bit because we can play the song again. It's gonna have more finesse. But genuinely, boys, like, there's always going to be someone in a fucking better position than you are, and there's always going to be someone in a worse position. And I've heard this 1,000 times. I've heard it, and until I lived it, I haven't been able to say it out loud. But it is genuinely a fucking you versus you sport. You know what I mean? There is no competition in trading. The guy that makes 60k in a day, no one knows where he comes from, what he's seen, what he went through to be able to do that, and whether or not it's real or not. Again, who gives a fuck if it's real? Because the only thing that's real is the experiences that we go through and what we do with that experience. And trading is one of these things is where it can fucking break you before it makes you. I said this to someone yesterday, but you genuinely have to blow before you blow. You gotta blow up before you blow up, and if that means blow up hundreds of accounts, it means blow up hundreds of accounts. And eventually, you're either gonna fucking make it, make money trading, be consistent, be disciplined, or you're fucking trying to be, so you're still doing the thing that you want to do anyway, and that's all that matters. That's genuinely all that matters. But yeah, fuck it, boys. Full send season. We'll put Gangsteritis back and we'll play it again because I like this song. I've been blasting this in the car non-stop. That's it, bro. That's it. It's all up to us how we use them. And for me, I go through stages. My uncle literally is living in a basement of a downtown shop. Bro, beautiful. And as much as like life can suck, like I'm not making consistent money right now, and that's alright because I've made 10, 20, 30k months in sales, and I have that ability. I don't have a doubt. I can work into any sales company to where I make money. If anything, I could start a product that requires an upfront capital and go sell it, but that's not what I want to do. You know what I mean? It's a mental game with trading, and I enjoy the process of I enjoy the process of constantly being fucking challenged every day to be a better person, to be a better man, to be a better fucking more disciplined and all these things. Like, I fucking live for that shit, bro. I live for it because why not? Like, why not be the best version of yourself? And trading, in my opinion, is one of the strongest fucking associates to building that thing. Like, it's not until you blow up an account and then you start to reflect in your life and you're like, alright, did I eat well today? Yeah, it's probably gonna keep going down. Like I said, it's just a fucking downward market, and it still hasn't even come to 50%. Like we said, EQ, or someone said it before. Really targeting EQ of the range is logical, and then whether it goes up or down shouldn't matter. But shorts into EQ makes sense. So shorts still makes sense until we hit 790. Sometimes these days, with the blues. I'm in my building area. I really am. And this is the thing. It might not last forever. There might be a period where we run out of money and then we have to work it out. But at the moment, I'm just building, and it's exactly right. I'm building myself. I'm building my mental state, and I want to make sure that I can either inspire or help or even let people know that sometimes it's not worth it to fucking do things. But I don't like that belief. And I'm not a believer of that. I believe you fucking try, bro. You try everything. You try until it doesn't work. And I truly believe that because I've done that with my fitness journey. I failed it so many times. You know, I tried to lose weight, and then you lose 5 kilos, you put on 10. You lose 10 kilos, you put on 20. You lose 30, you put on 40. And it wasn't until I was 18, 19 I finally cracked what worked. And then now obviously I'm in fucking good standing. But I just have to apply the same fitness framework to my trading, and then if I can get to a point, it will make sense. As this Harry Potter fucking interlude comes in. His first year of business, he only made $100 and never paid himself a wage. It's difficult to never pay yourself. At the moment, like, all my money just goes out of my bank account, bro. Like, I'm in charge and responsible for family rent where I live. Not even just contributing to it, but like, I'm actually in charge of it. Like, I organize the money, I pay all the bills, power, electricity, rent, everything. Fucking, not that it's not even that stressful, to be honest. It just seems like a lot of stress, but it's fine if the systems are there to make it work. But like I say, hopefully it all makes sense. You know, whenever you're in a bad period, right, and you're overthinking, or you're thinking about, like, say you burn an account, there's two frames of minds I like to go with, but one is definitely like, hopefully it's worth it. That really like helps me. Oh bro, it was terrible. So much easier to hit negative 50% consistently than it is to hit positive 20%. So at the very minimum, you need to treat that drawdown that they give you, right? Back in the day, it was this is how much drawdown it was. I was trading 7 of these accounts. Tradeify, straight to fundeds. They had that much drawdown. 7,500. So your consistency was 20%, which means your biggest day technically was about that. And then your daily limit was half. So instead of me treating this as, alright, let's set my daily loss limit to 750 or 600, I set it as, alright, to get to this payout, I can basically trade with a negative RR each day of 0.5 and get payout in 5 days. That's how I thought. And obviously, that's the spot. So whatever I do now is I like to take the daily loss limit as a daily, if it's on an eval, like right now I'm trading with a $300 loss limit on a 2k drawdown, which is it's not necessarily aggressive, right? Like for me, I'd say aggressive is 500 or like 750. My goal is, once I prove my system over and over again, which again, this is another example of a day where it's continuation, inversion 2000, internal sweep, blah blah blah. It works, you know, it works, it's fine. On any account, let's say I trade Apex, right? So my goal in Apex could be this: trade over 50k, end day. Risk the full daily loss limit to make 1500, right? Let's say I buy 5 accounts, but trade them individually. Find a setup, one trade, 1000 to make 1500, next account, 1000 to make 1500, next account, 1000 to make 15. And if your system has a 60% win rate or 50% win rate, you might win a trade, you might lose a trade, you might win a trade, you might lose a trade, whatever. But, you know, out of 10 attempts, if you pass 5, it's pretty good, no? And that's me trying to pass them relatively quickly. Whereas this, I'm clearly trying to respect my own discipline, to prove to myself that I can do that, because full sending Propfirm accounts also requires discipline, and I sometimes don't have that discipline. So to answer your question, how did I go with Tradeify? Shit, so bad, fucking terrible, honestly, so bad. I think I blew through 2 sets of 7 in a week, and this was a very, very bad period of my trading, because it was when I had to sell my beautiful car that I really enjoyed driving. and I worked really hard to it. And now I drive a Holden Astra. But it's okay. Cars are cars, they can be rebought. Cars are cars. They are just vehicles. They are forms of transportation. I don't know why I guess are attached to them. But owning a nice car does make you feel a certain type of way.
Yo, target forward, target practice. Less talking, more action. Man can't say that their team ain't active. Cut man off, had to do subtraction. Quick mathematics. Online is a different person than in real life. I'll call it a catfish. Man cat for the clout like Fritz from Catford. I swear they're hustling.
Just steal one. I'm not trying to catch a case, man. I think this UK music gets fucking copyright pretty quick though.
I adjusted, I adapted, told myself that I can't stay static, hit with precision, aim and tap it. Trapped in a hood with man that I trap him, bro said make it rapping, it's vital. I gotta break the cycle.
We'll put the afro back on. But I think honestly, boys, I think I've been streaming for like 4 hours though. I enjoy streaming. I stream all day, really and truly. I think that might be the play. Just try to take a trade, one trade on my accounts, and then just stream all day if it helps the growth and whatnot. Because I enjoy this. People getting involved in shit and questions and insane. That's what I wanted to live for. I live for other people, bro, not for myself. That makes me happier. And I don't mean that in like I live for other people, but it's like I much prefer fucking that. Like it's just, yeah. Bam, my day one. Alright, I'll stay on for a bit longer, fuck it. Let me have a cigarette and I'll be back. Let me have a dart, dude. 5 this direct. But that's the thing, if you are really consistent, like if I say for example dial in with this 1.5 and I have a high win rate, I probably could trade with that aggressive, you know, 20% consistency, risk 20%, or risk 15% to make 20s type thing, 1.5R, you know, whatever it is. And probably do well with 20%. Like for me, the way I'm trading now, I'm so far under 20% consistency, it wouldn't bother me. And this is just like, in hindsight, I know I gambled to save some of these days, but like, discipline is crazy overall. As a percentage, it's like 70 to 80% discipline, 85% discipline. But yeah, Lucid, I like Lucid, hey. Lucid is what Tradeify was when they first came out. And I think that they're doing it even better. I like direct accounts, I really do. Yeah, so there's no, if you have your limits on your own system, there's nothing wrong. Like for me, there's no limit on my system. It's just my execution is poor at the moment. And it seems like for you, the way that you're saying and speaking, like obviously I don't want to assume, but it sounds like you have that probably pretty dialed. Or dialed in a decent spot where it's like, for me now, do I have the money to drop on 5 Lucid Directs? Yes. Do I want to after, like I'm living through experience of knowing what I did back then, and it's a struggle, which is why like, I'm almost rebuilding from ground zero with this period, and I've got to build my consistency, get this payout, because I never would have quit streaming if I got paid out that money from fast track trading. Now, whether I got paid that money and didn't respect the amount of money that it was is a different story. But had I got paid it, I would have been able to stream for obviously a lot longer because it's cash runway, and that is something that runs out, of course. 1k left, 2 good trades, that's all it is, 2 good trades. And it's not that those 2 good trades might come in the 5th and 6th trade, but that's not what's important. It's just, yeah, like I didn't execute on my plan today properly. That's what I'm more annoyed about. I'm more annoyed that I didn't execute came into the market bearish, we had the system, I closed it early, I oversized, I got into a 2nd position. But it's all part of it, you know. you can't learn if you don't make mistakes. So but this is like, it's just, market is just down today, is it not? Like, it's just down. Like, what's the Beetlejuice saying? What's the opposite of up? I'm down, baby. That's NQ today. Boys, I'll be back in a sec. I probably need one more coffee in me. Hey. One more coffee, and then, yeah. Alright. I got soccer tonight, so I don't mind streaming for longer. I got game at 7. Game at 7, so I'll just fucking hang out and stream. I game a lot as well. Maybe I should start a fucking gaming stream as well. Because usually after I trade I game. Maybe I should just fucking stream gaming as well, since I'm such a fucking virgin. Bad joke. Be back in a sec. Back in a sec, lads. Back in a sec.
I'm a con low, I'm a combo, this is my life, I ain't gon' lie, this is my shit. I say bad boy will get OT, stacking paper, play nicely, Leo Messi. Thank God we dey alive, more blessings, sing clearly, angelic. I no say anybody, person will see me, now me I see. I be on and yow, living my life, me so. But give me that bad mo, wow. Carry your walla go foul. Baby, me go down low, down. She love bad man gangsta.
Elle aime les vrais gangsters, ceux qui sont pas instables. Love street, love money, my life. Jeune africain, congolais ambitieux, je ressens quand même une douleur malgré ta présence. Reçois quality vibe, my guy, mamacita, il me reste peu de temps pour toi. J'sais pas où je vais passer la night. Pamakala ou Marbella, Bella, près des îles ou des favelas, hila, hila. J'sais pas où je vais passer la night. Pamakala ou Marbella, Bella, près des îles ou des favelas, hila, hila.
I'm a con low, I'm a combo, this is my life, I ain't gon' lie, this is my shit. I say bad boy will get OT, stacking paper, play nicely, Leo Messi. Thank God we dey alive, more blessings, sing clearly, angelic.
Where else? Oh my god, it's recording. It's gonna be that fucking. Stop the record. Oh, what a song. I need to listen to this song again, boys. I missed it. Batman Gangster song. Serious.
I ain't gon' lie, this is my shit. I say bad boy will get OT, stacking paper,
Very nice, need you, Messi.
Thank God they are alive, more blessings, see clearly and girly. I know say anybody.
Boys, if you just thank God every day, you know you can't go wrong. Bad and good, it's just like, I have bad days, I have good days. You boys make my day good every day. My stream is being fucked up again.
Elle aime les vrais gangsters, ceux qui sont pas instables. Love, money, my life. Jeune africain, congolais ambitieux, je ressens quand même une douleur malgré ta présence. Reçois quality vibe, my guy, mamacita, il me reste peu de temps pour toi. Je sais pas où je vais passer la night. Pamakala ou Marbella, Bella, près des îles ou des favelas, hela, hela. Je sais pas où je vais passer la night. Pamakala ou Marbella, Bella, près des îles ou des favelas, hela, hela.
I'm a con low, I'm a combo, this is my life, I ain't gon' lie, this is my shit. I say bad boy will get OT, stacking paper, play nicely, Leo Messi. Thank God they are alive, more blessings, see clearly and girly. I know say anybody, person will see me, nine nicey. I be on my night job, living my life no south. But give me that back, move wow. Carry your wallet, go foul. Baby, me go down low, down. She love bad man gangsta.
Elle aime les vrais gangsters, ceux qui sont pas instables. Love, street, love, money, my life.